Assalamualaikum. Agroforestry in Chamanistan. Just imagine a future where a farmland is more than a field. It is a living and thriving ecosystem. It is a key part of the Jamanistan agriculture regeneration model. Chamanistan believe in preservation of nature, conservation of water, in soil regeneration. For that, Chamanistan is going to introduce agroforestry, which will play a key role in Chamanistan agriculture regenerative model. Through agroforestry, we could use same land for fruit trees alongside other vegetables and shrubs. It will provide a better composite to crops, which will increase productivity. It will help in soil fertility. It will also help in conservation of water. So the Chamanistan will not depend on a single source of income. It increase productivity. It will increase income for all farmers as they will get timber, medicinal plant, vegetable, fruits and many more. Chamanistan believe in the Quranic principle of stewardship. By using science and technology, Chamanistan has developed Chamanistan digital nervous system, which will provide intelligent based information to improve agriculture, for water management, for scientific method of different species of same plants. Chamanistan will introduce natural seedling, which will give you healthy seeds to develop same species of different plants. It will increase productivity and ultimately it will lead to a sustainable future. And it will fulfill Chamanistan principle of stewardship alongside science and technology. Come, invest with us and sustain forever. Chamanistan.com.pk